see. Okay, generally we come across with all this terminology due to this terminology. There is lot of confusion. What is the work they can do in these areas? So first of all, you just observe CAD is a software package that can assist the programmer to draw and design the product. But if you take any C++, somebody is making noise. Please mute him. Okay. Somebody is making noise. Now, if you take a program, suppose C programming or any other program, Python programming is there, then you have to write a code for it to generate proper output. Am I right? Hello. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
There is a lot of disturbance. Okay. Is I am audible? Please respond to me.
You are audible, sir.
Okay. Now, if you take any program, C program or a Python program, you write a program and you'll get some output. Okay, but in this CAD package, it's a software package. Already, there are some mechanical and CSC people developed a package, and which will give us to produce our model and object according to our requirement. Okay. Now you can check that the computer program. Sorry. Well, a CAM is a software package that consists of operator to run the CNC machine. Okay, this is a CAM. That means already yesterday, day before yesterday, I told you there is a CAM is also having softwares. You have to import that model what we created in the CAD model CAD package. Then it will be some code will be there. So that code will be copy pasted to the CNC machine, and you have to edit and paste. If there is some mistakes, 90% of the program will be correct. Okay. Now, CAD and CAM work together as a system by downloading the proven program to the CNC machine. Okay. There is no if a CAM and if only CAM cannot work. Only CAD cannot work. Okay, CAD. What is the use of CAD? Only we can visualize it. After that, what is the situation? Until unless CAM program is there, then only our CAM software and CAM machinery is there, then only CAD will be useful. Or else only CAM is cannot be. So CAD and CAM are together should be there. That's why we are learning this subject. Okay. Now, Manivandan, you share the other PPT. You stop this one. Stop sharing and close it. Unit 1. But today we'll exactly learn the things. What are the different CAD/CAM hardware and software and everything will be in unit according to unit 1. Suppose if you observe the syllabus, first unit. Can you minimize it first? No, my desktop is. What is the first topic in the? What is the unit one is what is the role of computers in industrial engineering is the topic. Now you take full screen. No problem. Okay. Computer design and computer manufacturing is a technology concerned with the use of computers to perform design and manufacturing functions. And CAD can be defined as the use of computer systems to perform certain functions in design process. CAM is the use of computer systems to plan, manage, and control the operations of manufacturing plant through either direct or indirect computer interface with the plan of production resources. Okay, right. Next one. Right. What is the advantages of CAD/CAM system? This is the one of the outcome. If you observe our outcome, this is one of outcome. What is the end of the learning this course? What you are able to? I mean, uh, what is the output of this CAD/CAM system? So it's a greater flexibility. So reduced lead times. Can you tell me what is the lead time?
Total waiting time plus processing time అవన్నీ కలిపి MLT manufacturing lead time అంటారు సార్.
Yes. Okay. There is a subject called lean manufacturing. Uh, eh, it is a professional elective. If anybody of that is a good subject, so there you have all this minimizing the wasting. Okay, so there are some Japanese terminologies that Muda and everything will be there. So there you will get all this lead time and all. Lead time means once I have an industry, so I came to industry, and when I am started my duty means when I am switching on the machine and raw material is loading to the machine and finished goods. So and from switching on the machine to the finished goods, how much time is taken for producing that particular component is nothing but the lead time. Reducing the lead time is always create greater profits to the manufacturer. So that is the thing we have to plan whenever you come across with this kind of any industry, any manufacturing kind of thing is there, any startup are there. So you had your motto should be reducing the lead time. Previous slide 11. Reducing inventories. Inventories means stock, either it may be raw material stock or finished good stock. So if the raw material stock is heavy, means what? There is no marketing, there is no sales. At the same, I mean, sorry, finished goods are kept with us means there is no sales. Raw material are storing a lot means too much heavy initial cost will be there, so we can reduce that. Increase the productivity, improve the customer service, improved quality, improved communications with suppliers, better product design, greater manufacturing control, support integration, reduced cost, increased utilization, reduced machine tools, less floor space. These are the advantages. Can anybody tell me what is a machine tool? Machine
So
tool.
repeat the question.
Machine. What is the meaning of machine tool?
Machine.
Only Manivandan, Vishwanath, Sai Sunai are replying. Remaining are not replying to questions.
To perform the operation.
No. I'm not talking about performing. Machine tool means what? What is a machine? What is a machine? Hello?
Use mechanical power. An apparatus using mechanical power.
Use it to perform some certain operation.
Certain operations, that's a machine. Okay. What is machine tool now?
Which will do a certain job, a specific job.
The tool used in machine.
Machine tool is nothing but generally you thought that which a tool is used in the machine. That is
Designed
not
to
correct.
cut metal into desired shape, sir.
No, no, no. That is what I'm saying. Tool is which is a tool is used in the machine. That particular tool is nothing machine tool. Not like that. Machine tool is nothing but a complete lathe or milling machine or any other machine fully equipped is ready to use is nothing but machine tool. Is it clear to all of you? A lathe is there ready to use. A milling machine is there ready to use. It is called as machine tool. Hello?
Yes, sir.
వాయిస్ చేస్తున్నట్టు వాళ్ళని చూడవా దాంతో మీకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ అన్నెసరీగా ఆల్రెడీ దేర్ ఇస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైం వేస్టెడ్ టుడే ఎవరమ్మా అది అసలు అయిపోయేది ఏంటి ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ పిల్లలు Okay. This is the title in the Unit 1, Computers in Industrial Manufacturing. The role of computers in manufacturing may be broadly classified into two groups: computer monitoring and control of the manufacturing process, and manufacturing support applications, which deals essentially with the preparations for the actual manufacturing and post-manufacturing operations. Okay, so computer monitoring and control of the manufacturing process. Computer monitoring means, suppose all of you visited a thermal power plant, Jaipur power plant, Gopalpalli, visited na?
Yes, sir.
So there, some people are sitting in the control room and controlling the boiler inlet and controlling the boiler outlet, controlling the condenser inlet, controlling the outlet of the condenser. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. UCB, Unit Control Board.
Yeah, yes. So by using that means we can control an operation means similarly we can control ఎవరమ్మా అది? మీకోసము మేము హలో డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్లీజ్ mute yourself. This is repeatedly we are telling, but you are, $396 అంటారు ఎవరమ్మా 17396 ఎవరు విశ్వనాథ్
Sir.
విశ్వనాథ్
Yes, sir.
17396 ఎవరు మీ క్లాస్లో
Sir, Zubair, sir.
ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు ఊరికి డిస్కషన్ ఏంటి ఆ సౌండ్ ఇస్తున్నాడు అనవసరంగా
ఏమో సార్ ఇప్పుడైతే మ్యూట్ లోనే ఉన్నాడు ఇప్పుడు.
టప్ టప్ అని సౌండ్ వస్తుంది అదంతా ఎవరిది
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. ఇప్పుడైతే అందరూ మ్యూట్ లోనే ఉన్నారు సార్.
మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ టు నౌ సెకండ్ స్లైడ్లోకి వెళ్ళి సో మీకు మీ వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ కనబడుతున్నాయమ్మా manufacturing support applications which are deal essentially with the preparations for actual manufacturing and post manufacturing operations. So that means actual manufacturing means we discuss lead time, what is the operations and all, and that also monitor, and post manufacturing operations also we can manage. That means quality checking and everything. And go for the fifth slide. కొంచెం జూమ్ చేయండి కొంచెం డౌన్ So this is the typical structure of a CAD/CAM system. So just you observe there is a two-side arrows means um, it's a vice versa operation. Suppose any problem occurred. Suppose if you observe business data processing system, computer design, manufacturing system, and CAM. So if you observe, these are the different things will be financial management, costing, sales, and marketing, and everything will be interlinked. If any problem occurred in this flow chart, any problem occurred, so it may be sent to anything. If any miscommunication between any one module in these four modules, any miscommunication between CAD, CAM, and business processing and manufacturing system, then entire cycle will be collapsed. So please take care of all these things, and you prepare one more. Already I given yesterday one assignment. No, so on this particular slide, you create you do one assignment according to your own evaluation for your own products. Last time also I given one evaluation. No? So he product life cycle. So on your own product, you do this analysis. Okay, this flow chart. Next slide.
Sir, I think someone in waiting room, I think, sir.
You take them and admit them. Nobody is there. Nobody is there.
Yes, sir. One Munib is messaging me. So I admitted him. And I am moving to the slide, sir.
Once you, the previous slide only, previous slide. Just you zoom it here itself. Zoom. This portion. Arrow, my arrow is there. Left. Just you observe in this CAD area, feature and solid modeling, variational and parametric modeling, computer graphics, graphic standards, IGES, DXF, STEP, etc., design analysis tools, FEM, FEA simulation, mechanisms, test and analysis, design tool and mechanical, hydraulic, electronics, etc. So what are these? These are the terminologies we listen many number of times. So feature and solid modeling. That means feature means extrude is feature, cut is one feature, sweep is one feature, blend is one feature. Okay, these are the feature based. So generally we are using feature based modeling. Okay, and solid modeling is nothing but which are used for features are used for create solids and solid modeling. Variational parametric modeling. Parametric modeling is nothing but all our softwares are parametric modeling. So if you observe the PTC, Parametric Technology Corporation. So parametric means we can generate n number of components in a single time. Okay, by using the empirical relations. And computer graphics. In this graphic standards, there is a standard formats are there. IG generally our modules are stored in some .prt, .cat file, okay, like this. So these are the transformation files. Suppose you want to import from one software to another software, so then you can use this IGS, DXF, and STEP files. Okay, these are the file formats. And design analysis tools are FEM and FEA simulation mechanism. So these are the tools for and test and analysis. Design tools, mechanical and hydraulic and electronics. So these are the we can do mechanical analysis, we can do electronic, everything we can do. So there are different types of analysis are there. Simple harmonic motion is there, statics is there, dynamics is there, CFD is there. Okay, aerodynamics is there. So many analysis packages are available. So all are comes under CAD. Suppose if you come across with manufacturing systems cycle, then you hear what is the role of this manufacturing system? Production activity, machining assembly, material handling, storage, production control, loading, scheduling, balancing, capacity planning, quality control. So all are comes under this. Now come to CAM. Process planning, production planning, CNC part programming, robot programming, CMM. This is what CMM, computer measuring machine. CMM means computer measuring machine. So generally a part is there.
Coordinate measuring machine and
No?
ఈ ఏఎంఎస్ లో సిఎంఎం ని కోఆర్డినేట్ మెషరింగ్ మెషిన్ అని చెప్పారు సార్ మహేష్.
Coordinate measuring machine and MM stands for measuring machine only. C for coordinate only. But sometimes we are using that machine you use for directly. If you load that machine, it will give you some values
Yes sir.
which is exactly made to your output. If not, it will be sent to the rejection list.
Yes sir.
Okay. Coordinates means only there are different types of coordinates are there. No, absolute coordinates. So we are not talking about that one. Only our output is what is the dimension. Suppose if you are in the modeling you are given that the block is containing 50 by 50 by 50 mm.
Yes
If
sir.
the output value is 55, 55, 55, then that product is rejected. That's it. Forget about the internal dimensions and all.
Okay sir.
Okay, right. Okay, these are the so coordination between these four systems is mandatory, and a new assignment will be on you for your product. Create this flowchart. Okay, right. Next slide. Okay. Now these are the abbreviations: computer design and drafting. Last time I already discussed computer engineering, computer manufacturing, computer process planning, computer tool design, computer planning, CAP. One more is there. Next slide will be also okay. Anybody knows this? Previous slide, please. Anybody knows this tool design? What is tool design? Tool design.
మెషిన్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ లో వాడే వేరియస్ టూల్స్ ని డిజైన్ చేయడం, యాంగిల్స్ సెట్ చేయడం,
Okay.
కంప్యూటరైజ్డ్.
Yeah. You might have learned this subject by Shivchandra sir. Okay. Tool
Yes sir.
rectangle.
Rake angle,
Yeah.
side edge
Everything.
angle.
What are the tool terminology? No? So all these things will be come in this tool design. There is an organization called CITD in the Balanagar, Hyderabad, Central Institute of Tool Design. Anybody heard it? Please note down if any institutions, any organization names I told you, just note it down on the book.
Okay sir.
Anybody know this Central Institute of Tool Design?
Yes sir.
Okay, so this is a government organization. In this, you can do some minor projects, you can do some major projects, and you can learn the softwares, and you can generate coding, and you can design tool. All these things are at a single place. And there is a master course is also available for a 1 year course or 1.5 year course, which is equivalent to MTech. Are you getting
Okay,
my point? There is a course which is tool design MTech course is there, which is equivalent to the, it's a 1 year course or 1.5 year course, which is equivalent to the MTech course. Okay, please think about it. Anybody interested in tool designing, you can join. There is an entrance test for this particular thing. You can visit the website of that particular organization. Okay, go for next slide. Right, next. Okay, next. These are discussed already. Next. Next.
I think this is last. There.
Many slides are there. Yeah. Common databases as a linkage to various computerized applications. So, just to observe this computer design and design analysis, and computer process planning, computer tool design, CNC program center, materials handling, CMM programs, product control, containment modeling, simulation, scheduling, MRP. What is MRP? MRP.
Sir, material resource planning.
Yes. If you told the maximum retail price, this is absolutely wrong. The MRP is one of the SAP programming. Okay, you know SAP?
Yes, sir. It's a software.
Not software.
Application programming.
Yeah, application. So
Application.
there are several modules are there in that CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, MRP. All these things are interlinked with the SAP. Any now you can observe this Amazon or Flipkart. All are based on SAP only. Okay, and this is production management and project control. This is the actual flow chart. I mean, how everything. I mean, all CAD under one side, all analysis and manufacturing. I mean, material handling and everything are on another side. Next one. These are completed. Design process. Next. Okay. This is the typical hardware system. This is old one. Nowadays, we are using only LED monitors. This is this one is floppy drive. This is CD. These are the floppy disks. You know, you are everybody nowadays carrying 128 GB mobile phones. In my days, I mean, in 1998, 2000 region, my desktop hard disk capacity is 8 GB, only 8 GB. At the time, we are unable to use the system for our package. Our package now software is itself a 4 GB. You take the CATIA Creo package, it's a 4 GB. So imagine how lucky you are. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Right, next slide.
Sir,
ROM read-only memory, programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable ROM, electrically erasable and programmable ROM, random access memory, flash memory. So these are the different memory types. You can refer to the CAD/CAM book by Ibrahim Jadab or P.N. Rao. I'll Manivandan, I'll share the textbooks to you today,
Okay, sir.
and
Okay, sir.
any material is there, I'll share with you.
Okay,
Just
sir.
please share with A section
I
and B
will share
section.
it in. Yes, sir. I will share.
A section, B section both.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Vishwanath, you take the responsibility from the B section.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next slide. So this is the speech and all. These are not required for us, but for a learning point of view. Next. Next. Keyboard, input devices, keyboard, mouse, light pen, joystick, digitizer, and tablet. So day before yesterday, somebody not discussed about the joystick, digitizer, tablet. Only these three we discussed. Joystick means generally you use in gaming. If you go for any mall and all, మాట్లాడుతున్నారమ్మా 312 17312 beauty. Joystick is used in the gaming wherever you go to any mall and all, use this joystick. Digitizer means I'll show you. You can simply write on this. It will be displayed to the screen. Tablet is also similar kind of digitizer. Next slide. I'll show the images. This is a typical keyboard. So anybody want to purchase a laptop or a desktop, use separate. If a laptop is there, you purchase one separate keyboard. Don't use the laptop keyboard regularly. If you use the laptop keyboard regularly for our mechanical purpose, so our keypad is getting disturbed, automatically. It is too costly to change the keypad in the laptop. So use separate keyboard. By using a USB port, you can connect to any keyboard. Next. This is typical mouse. Anybody నా స్క్రీన్ నేను ఇప్పుడు వీడియో కనబడుతున్నానమ్మా లేదు కదా
Yes, sir.
వీడియో నా మౌస్ చూస్తున్నారా ఎనీబడి కెన్ యూ ఎనీబడి అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ మౌస్ యూ యూజ్ ద సమ్ మన హ్యాండ్లోకి కరెక్ట్గా ఫిక్స్ అయ్యేదో చూసుకోండి. దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి కంఫర్టబుల్ టు యూ. ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ మై వీడియో? మౌస్
కనబడుతుంది.
మౌసెస్ ఈ రీసెంట్ డేస్లో ఎలా అంటే చాలా చిన్నగా వస్తున్నాయి. నో, యూ షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ దట్ వన్. ఓకే, సమ్ కరెక్ట్గా మీ హ్యాండ్కి ఏది ఫిక్స్ అవుతుందో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ బై. బికాస్ if it is mouse is not comfortable, very difficult for you to modeling. Okay, please understand this very because we will not use keyboard much, but mouse is 90% usage. All left and right click, middle button, scroll button is perfectly working or not, you check and buy. Don't buy from online. Just you go to any local shops, you check with better mouse are Logitech mouse is better, and TVS mouse are better, and one more is HP mouse is better. Okay, please use proper mouse, because if the mouse is not perfect, it is very difficult for us. Okay, next one. This is wireless mouse. Which one is better for you? Okay, you can do. Okay, next one. This is light pen. Yes, you have to. I'm going to buy the one light pen device to write something on the screen, because which will give us some of one of my faculty are also using this. I'm checking with him. Next one. This is the structure of light pen. All these things you have to read it. There is no need to explain. You are not kids. Okay. Next. Touchpad. Know this. Next. Track point. You know this. Trackball. Track point and trackball both are same.
అంతేనా?
Joystick. You know this in gaming. All of you, I'm showing you all these things. You might have know or might have don't know, but if you know, just you see once. If you don't know, please ask any doubts are there. Okay. This is graphics tablet. Nowadays, this kind of tablets are there. No? Right side grid kind of tablets. In this grid kind of tablets, you can generate a 3D model, or by simply draw the isometric view of a diagram. Automatically, it will be converted to CAD model. In this, that kind of tablets also available. Next, pointing device. Next, digitizer. Discussed already. Next, touch sensitive screen is also all laptops are touch now. Okay. Next, there are three forms of touch screen: pressure sensitive, capacitive surface and light beam. So nowadays it is light beam. Next, output device is a soft copy and hard copy. You know the soft copy and hard. Suppose any time if I ask you to send the resume as a TPO, then first question will be from your side is the soft copy or hard copy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So hard copy means which is printed. Printing will be in different forms, on paper or material or engraving or several types. Hard copy, soft copy means simply either PDF or Word file or doc file. Okay. Next, these are the typical output devices. First one is VDU. What is VDU? VDU or monitor and VDU. What is a VDU? VDU means a visual display unit or nothing but monitor. Earlier, how CPU is there, no? So before monitor term came into picture, they call it as a VDU, visual display unit. Next, multimedia projector, impact printer. There is a dot matrix printer is there. Daisy wheel printer. Dot matrix printer is there. So if you go for TVS is the master in dot matrix. If you go to any bank, Andhra Bank or SBA, those banks are using still these dot matrix printers. Very long life will be there. Ink capacity and cost of the printing is very less. Okay, so that's why this dot matrix are very much useful in banks and all. And Daisy wheel printer is nothing but uh, olden days you have typewriters, na. Similarly, what is the typewriter will do? Once you press A, one mm, one link will be there, so it will carry a alphabet which will go down from bottom and go and print it on the paper. Typewriter function చూసారు ఎప్పుడైనా typewriter?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you that image in later slides. So similar kind of printer, those are outdated now. Non-impact printer, thermal, inkjet, laser. You know all these things. Plotter, flatbed, drum, electrostatic. Flatbed అంటే మనం మామూలుగా you'll use in number plates కోసం చెప్పాను కదా. So there you will use. Anybody knows A0 plotter, A4 plotter, sorry, A3 plotter, A2 plotter? Anybody know this? Anybody know this?
No, sir.
Plotter. Hello.
No idea,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So whenever you have time and after COVID time, then you visit Shiva Xerox అని మనకు ఇక్కడ ఉంది చూసారా, శివ A0 జిరాక్స్ అని 1000 పిల్లర్ టెంపుల్ పక్కనే ఉంటుంది. అదే కాంప్లెక్స్ టెంపుల్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ టెంపుల్ శివ. తర్వాత హరి రేడియం, ఈ రెండుని ఒకసారి విజిట్ చేసి రండి. హరి రేడియం హ్యాస్ మెనీ స్టాల్స్, ఒక 6-7 ఉన్నాయి. జస్ట్ మీరు వెళ్ళి ఇట్లా నా పేరు చెప్పండి హరి రేడియంలో, అతని పేరు హరి వినయరెడ్డి సార్, ఆస్క్ మీ టు షో ద ఎక్విప్మెంట్, జస్ట్ చూడడానికి వచ్చామని చెప్పి మీరు వెళ్ళి అడగండి. హీ విల్ టెల్ యూ. మీన్ వైల్ మీరు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఫోన్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను తనకు వచ్చి చూపిస్తాను, నేను చెప్తాను, వెళ్ళి చూడండి హౌ ద వర్క్ ఈస్ దర్. There are drum type, electrostatic, and many things are there. Just you check and go and check there. Okay. So whenever you go to any industry, there is a big blueprint will be there on A4, A0 paper. Okay. So these are the drawings can be created and plotted on the plotter only. It is not possible on manual printer. What is the maximum size of the printer available for us on paper in daily use?
A4.
A4 is 100%. A3 is up to certain extent only. A3 after A3 it is impossible for us because that cost is not bearable for us. More than 15-20 lakhs. Okay. So A4 is better, and which will get in 10 to 15,000. A3 is somewhat costly, 30,000 or something like that. Apart from that, A2, A1, A0 is not possible with us. Okay. Next, voice response. So already I told you what is the voice command system and everything, which you know, Alexa and all. So similarly, we'll give some command operations through voice, and it will do. Robot and control systems, machine tool, and microfilm and or microfiche. Next one. These are graphics and all, resolution, display quality. There are monitors in 15, 17, 19 inches monitors and everything, you know, no? Better know. Next. In the examination question may be asked in the product life cycle, one question, and one more question I may ask is, write a short notes on input device and output devices briefly, and ప్రతి దానికి మీరు diagram వేసేలాగా చూసుకోండి. Okay na? That's why I'm showing all these diagrams. Next slide.
Sir, about this refresh.
Okay. Display quality. This depends on the type of monitor as well as the refresh rate. Normally, on your monitor, if after usage of 1 month or 2 months, there is a lot of temporary files and browsing history will be there. So all these things are stored in the RAM. So due to that, resolution is not perfect. So generally you do refresh. రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి మీరు రిఫ్రెష్ చేస్తారు చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి నీ స్క్రీన్ మీద రైట్ క్లిక్ చేయమ్మా. నీ స్క్రీన్ మీద రైట్ క్లిక్ చేయి. రావట్లేదు. ఓకే, మామూలుగా మీరు చేస్తుంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది కదా, రైట్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే రిఫ్రెష్ అని వస్తుంది. రిఫ్రెష్ అనగానే పేజ్ అంతా రిఫ్రెష్ అవుద్ది. మీరు F5ని కంటిన్యూస్గా పట్టుకొని ఉన్నారనుకోండి, F5 అనే ఫంక్షన్ కీని మీరు కంటిన్యూస్గా పట్టుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అది రిఫ్రెష్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది పేజ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆల్రెడీ టెంపరీ ఫైల్స్ ఏదైనా మనం డిలీట్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నా కూడా అవన్నీ దీంట్లో ఇదైపోతాయి. సో దాంతో మనకి డిస్ప్లే రేట్ అనేది క్లియర్గా ఉంటుంది అండ్ విచ్ విల్ గివ్ యూ బెటర్ డిస్ప్లే. స్లోగా ఉంటుంది మానిటర్. ఓకే, సిపియూలో ఉన్న ర్యామ్లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఫైల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా రిఫ్రెష్ అవుతాయి. ఇన్ a faster rate. Sir, previous. So now this monitor on this display screen settings లో మీకు ఇది కనబడుతుంది. లెస్ మోర్ అని చెప్పి ఇక్కడ బైట్స్ కనబడుతుంది. 640 by pixel size అని ఉంటుంది. సో which is comfortable for you according to your eye. So you can say somebody చాలా లోగా పెట్టుకుంటారు, కొంతమంది పెద్దగా పెట్టుకుంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ దేర్ కెపాసిటీ. దిస్ ఈస్ VGA విజువల్ వీడియో గ్రాఫిక్స్ అరే, SVGA సూపర్ వీడియో గ్రాఫిక్స్ అరే, extended graphics array. These are the different types. Which one is comfortable for you? Generally 1024 by 768 is the comfortable size for normal human. If any eye problem is there, then you can use the other resolution. Next. This is nothing to say. Next. These are the display devices. Olden days CRT monitors are there, cathode ray tube. Now plasma panel and LCD are, all are flattened now, all monitors. Olden days లో మనకు ఇంతకుముందు క్యాడ్కామ్ ల్యాబ్లో ఎలా ఉండే గుర్తుందా? చూసారా మీరు? TSCAM ల్యాబ్ చేసినప్పుడు మానిటర్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? How the monitors are?
LED monitor.
Not LED monitors. Those are CRT monitors. CRT.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
వెనకాల పెద్ద బాక్స్ లాగా వస్తుంది కదా.
Yes,
so
sir.
Those are nothing but CRT, cathode ray tube. All of you free know, there is no problem for you. I'm extending a bit because we are late by 20 minutes or 30 minutes due to some technical issue. No problem na? Hello? Are we stopped
Yes.
here? Hello? Respond me. Hello?
Your wish, sir.
Sir, let us continue tomorrow, sir.
Oh, continue tomorrow. Okay. So we'll we'll complete this one and we'll stop here. Slide
Okay,
40.
sir.
Plasma panel display. That is in old, 10 years back, plasma TVs are there. Okay. Now it is come to LCD. Now latest technology is LED. Okay. And ఇంకా లేటెస్ట్ చెప్పాలంటే foldable. You can fold it, screen. You can fold it and keep it in a pocket and you can use it. Now Samsung phone వచ్చింది చూసారా మీరు? Samsung foldable phone. Hello, display device. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Samsung లో foldable phone ఒకటి వచ్చింది చూసారా? Foldable. Screen is also folding. So that kind of displays also available in the market right now. So it's a huge technology transformation is year by year. So there is nothing. You are much familiar than me. So just you observe this input and output device. Okay. We'll start the tomorrow session with the particular stuff. Okay. Manavan, send the attendance.
Wait for a while, sir. I will send it.
Okay.